It's the end of my first week as a new Faceless creator. Geez, this is hard. However long you think something will take, double it. Seriously, everything about this process has taken way longer than I expected. There are definitely moments where I've thought, if only I could just show my face and speak directly. But that's the point of this challenge. I want to figure out how to do it faceless, especially whilst I'm clueless. This week has been a whirlwind of experimenting with AI tools and software. I've been using things like 11 Labs, VidEQ, and Learning Canva to make the process smoother. They're helpful, but it's still a massive learning curve. I've also fallen into that rabbit hole of tutorials and blog posts. It feels like I've consumed a small library of information. At one point, I realized I was so obsessed with learning that I couldn't sleep because all I could think about was content creation. Looking back at my first videos, I can see all the mistakes. Some of the slides dragged on too long, and some of the topics weren't interesting enough. I've also been struggling to find the right software for longer videos, something that works for over 5 minutes. You know what's strange? When I'm consulting food and beverage clients in real life, it's so easy to break things into clear, actionable steps. But sitting behind a screen and creating videos, it's a completely different feeling. I have to keep reminding myself there's a person on the other end of the video, and I want to help them learn something. What's been exciting, though, is seeing some views come in. On my long videos, I've had 33 views this week. That's tiny, but I'll take it as a win because the anxiety of waiting after publishing was real. For my shorts, I've had 307 views, but most of those came from one video. It's frustrating because the other ones didn't really gain any traction. I think I know why, though. This is going to sound stupid, but I didn't realize you can make slides shorter than 5 seconds, which don't have a voiceover. Definitely got egg on my face, but now I know how to change it. My newer videos will hopefully be better. Also, can we talk about how annoying it is that apparently you can only change thumbnails for shorts on the mobile app? I'll figure it out eventually, but it's such a weird detail to get hung up on. The one thing keeping me going is that I'm genuinely passionate about my topic. Leadership, management, and food and beverage is in my blood. I can see why so many people say to pick something you love. Because if I didn't care about this, I think I'd have given up already. It's a lot of work for such little return in the beginning, but I know it'll pay off. So to anyone else out there who's just starting, I see you. It's tough, and the low views can mess with your confidence, but keep going. We'll figure this out together.